See that I'm backing the bridge right behind me. It's still undergoing construction. I have with me a carpenter whom we're going to interview. He was also a victim of the fire outbreak that happened in December 2017 at the Festac Link Bridge. So join us. It's a pleasure.
So this incident was happening on December 13 last year, 2017. So I tried to come back, and the thing was very difficult for me to establish myself again, because I'm already submit letter all over, both the State House, House of Assembly, and Lagos State House, and the Honorable the Chairman, local Amuwo Odofin Local Government Chairman, and Honorable Member. So I pleaded with them to just assist a little for me, to start from somewhere. But I didn't hear from that. See, now, I'll just struggle about year and year, and be bashing myself with my family, about 5 children. Their school fees, everything was so difficult with me. So I don't know how the government is our country here. I don't know. But this thing was very painful.
How long have you been here as a carpenter?
Yeah, I'm the carpenter here. So when I come back now, a little fee about 2 weeks ago now, before I come back, and the 2 people are dragging space with me again, so they are selling sand.
How long have you been here?
I've been
How
here
many years have you?
2000.
Since 2000?
Yes, 2000. I've been here, yes, 2000. So this now, let's say we can call it now 18 years. So now, yes, 2000, 18 years. So everybody know me in this Festac very well. Okay. So nobody pass here, I don't know, I notice about carpenter here. I'm owner of this place, and I have carpenter, fine work, professional. So when I come back now, I see about 2 people dragging with me to take my space again. Where the honorable and the honorable them from the local government, they already want to take over my space with the sand. About 2 people, and they are dragging now. So I don't know.
Are you saying that they want to send you away from this whole place?
Yeah, that's their plan. That's their plan. You can figure the sand. I already upload about how many people of the 10 tires sand. So I'm confused. I want the government to just assist, because I'm not having anything. I'm on pain. It's dead. It's only my church was not assist a little. My church just looks to support me a little financial. So that is it. I don't have any helper. I don't have anything. I don't know what to do. It's only this my professional. That's what I believe. I don't know any other thing than this professional I have. So I need your help and your assistance to just push me up, so that I can come up back and put this place in order, so that I can look unique. So that when you people pass here, you will not say, yeah, this man, the money you give to them is very, you use it well. So please, I need your help, I need your assistance. Government, please, I'm pleading. So please, thank you very much for assisting me and for hearing me well. Take care of the children, the school fees, and everything. About 5 children, and some of them now they want to enter university. I don't know what to do. I don't know how to do it. It's only God. So please, help me out of this.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah.
For your time.
Thank you.